In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your PS5 begins to sound like this. Now, it turns out that over time, certain PlayStation 5 consoles can develop this unordinary sound coming from the air vents, and the bad news is it's oftentimes a problem with the cooling fan itself. What this means is that in order to make this buzzing sound completely disappear, you're going to need to remove the fan assembly for a proper cleaning or even a complete cooling fan replacement. So today, I'm going to walk you through step by step to replace the PS5 cooling fan, which will get rid of any excess or unusual noises coming from the console. As always, make sure to leave a like rating on the video and we'll go ahead and get started. Now, replacing the PS5 cooling fan is actually pretty simple and only requires a couple different tools. You will need a Torx T8 screwdriver, and I also recommend a pair of precision tweezers, but that's about it. You can find a replacement cooling fan on places like Amazon or iFixit for a fairly decent price, but once you have everything ready, you can now begin what should be a pretty easy repair. You can start by taking off the PS5 cover that does not have the PS logo in order to access the cooling fan. Then you're going to remove the grill by lifting up and away from the case, and using the Torx T8 screwdriver, unscrew the fan shroud and set it off to the side. I will recommend keeping track of exactly which screw goes where because it can get confusing if it is your first time performing this repair. But next, we're now going to peel back the wire cover exposing the connector, and using our precision tweezers, grip the edges of the fan cable connector and pull up to disconnect it from the motherboard. As a reminder, make sure you are not pulling on the wires as this can damage the connector. Next, we're going to lift the fan up and out of the case to remove it, and while you're at it, you might as well take the time to wipe the case clean with a microfiber towel. But finally, we're now going to set the replacement fan inside the case and secure the connecting wire to the motherboard. At this point, you're now good to reattach the fan shroud, but make sure you are using the correct screws in the right place to secure the entire fan assembly. Also, do not forget the grill to the air intake before reattaching the side cover. And that's it, your brand new PS5 cooling fan has been installed, and you're now ready to reconnect and power on the system. So now you know exactly what to do if your PS5 cooling fan is defective or begins wearing out. Make sure to leave a like rating if you enjoyed, subscribe, and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you.